Bachacha! Yes! Bachacha box!
Hey kids, let's see what we have in the learning box of Bachacha. Jinwin, Pinwin, pencil on the paper, let the magic begin.
Let's learn how to sketch Santa Claus. Make a medium-sized circle at the center of the page. Good! Now make a horizontal pipe-shaped figure. This is a part of the cap. Now make a semicircle above this, followed by a small circle resting on the side. Neat work! Erase the lines in between. Now draw a large U-shaped beard around the circle. Ensure it has curves to make it look natural. Good job! As we know of Santa's bearded look, let's make beard hair across his face. A wavy partition in the middle which joins the piping on the cap. Make 2 eyebrows, 2 eyes and 1 nose. Erase the lines in between. Draw his mouth. Great going! Let's proceed to make his body. Draw a semicircle right below his beard. Finish it with 2 parallel lines inside. Now a piping between his pant and shirt. Slightly large at his waist. Good job! Make 2 large U's with an inverted V to make Santa's pants. 2 U-shaped boots. Good! 2 hands extending up in the air, a sleeve lining, and the fist will reveal only his thumb. Same arm to be made on the other side. That's amazing work! Color. A bright red signature color of Santa Claus shall be used across his cap, sleeves, gloves, t-shirt and pants. Leave the belt and 1 parallel line blank for now. Use white crayon over his beard, belt and the sleeping line seen on his vest. The little ball will also be colored in white along with the sleeve bands. Good! We can use black to highlight his facial features. Use skin color on his nose. Add black to his boots and pants and the parallel line on his waist. Amazing job! Invite Santa Claus to your homes with this stunning artwork and make this festival very joyful.
Stay tuned to Bachacha box. Happy hours for kids.